Question number 7. So in this case here, we want to evaluate 4 times g of -2 minus g of 5. So this just has the g's. So I'm not going to worry about the f's right now. Just focus on plugging in these numbers, -2 and 5. So again, you can do it from a graphing perspective if you'd like. Just graph each one in a separate line. I've already typed that in. Remember, when you do that, you just put squiggly brackets around your inequality and follow them directly to the right of your function piece. Don't type in the words for or if or comma. So if you want to pause that and graph those in, you can follow along with me. So if I want to find g of -2, I'm going to go find -2 and see if I can get a value for that. And looks like I get 9. You can also do x equals -2, and you'll see it intersect there at 9. So I know that g of -2 is 9. I can also plug in -2 into the appropriate piece. So you can see here it's the absolute value of 2x minus 5 because -2 is between those two numbers. So really it's the absolute value of 2 times -2 minus 5. Remember, you do the stuff inside the absolute value first, so that's -4 minus 5, which is -9. And then the absolute value of anything is going to be positive. So the absolute value of -9 is, is going to be 9. So that's going to equal 9. You can also use your calculator and just evaluate absolute value. And then you can do 2 parentheses -2 minus 5. And that gets you 9. So anyway, let's go to g of 5. So I want to plug in 5 in the appropriate thing. And since 5 is greater than 4, my output's going to be here. I don't have any x's, so that's really just going to be -4. So now let's do all the stuff around it. So I have 4 times g of 9, so 4 times 9, minus -4. So you'll use your calculator and do 4 times -9 minus -4. You can also get that -4 by going over here, and you can see where 5 on the graph gives you -4 right there, or you can do x equals 5, and you can see it cross at -4. So we're going to operate with that, get a number, be careful with your signs, use your calculator if you need to. So 4 times 9 minus a -4 gives you some value, and that'll be this answer.